Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by opening Services, press Win plus R, type Services, MSC, and signing in with an administrator account. This gives you control over the Windows Update service. Once visible, pause and confirm the exact service name, Windows Update, so you don't stop the wrong process. Make a quick restore point now so you can undo changes if needed. Then, stop the service immediately using the Stop command in the Services window. This halts downloads and installations while you proceed to the next configuration steps. Once the Windows Update service is stopped, set its startup type to disabled or manual so it won't restart automatically after reboot. Choose manual if you want to start it manually later. Next, open Settings right arrow Update and Security right arrow Advanced Options and turn off automatic downloads and delivery optimization to stop peer-to-peer transfers. If available, use Group Policy Editor or the registry to enforce metered connection restrictions so Windows treats the network as limited and avoids. Now reboot the laptop and verify the Windows Update service remains stopped by checking Services and the Update section in Settings. This confirms changes persisted. If updates unexpectedly resume, make sure no third-party updater or IT management tool is overriding your settings and reapply group policy or registry changes if necessary. Keep a simple manual update routine. Enable the service temporarily to check for critical patches, then disable it again. Remember the restore point you made so you can revert if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.